How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded MetaTrader 5 in your device. If not, you can head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app MetaTrader 5 and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to the codes page. Now, you will need to navigate to the page settings. Once you're in this page, click on the option New Account. Now at the very top, you're going to find this search box. Over here, you can type in the broker account that you want to connect to your MetaTrader 5. For example, I'm going to search for XNEX. After broker account appears, you'll need to click on it. Now provide your credentials of your MetaTrader 5 account, login, ID and the password. Once you provide these details, click on Sign In, and with that, your account will be connected to the broker account. So this way, you are able to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.